Hey guys, what's happening? How to remove link from Instagram bio. So go ahead and open up your Instagram, right? And then go ahead and click your profile icon at the bottom right and hit edit profile. Under the bio, you're gonna see links. Go ahead and then click the link that you want to remove. And as you can see, this is the link. Go ahead and remove link. Double click to confirm that you want to remove that link from Instagram bio. So that's another comment if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.